the second part of this lesson. We are going to continue configuring our Laravel application and also create our Ionic application and try to authenticate. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add a trait, a Laravel trait to our user model. So going to code user, yep, and then we're going to add the has API tokens. It's coming from Sanctum, as you can see here. Yeah, this will enable us to be able to call some methods on the user model, which we will see later. So when you scroll down here, we can see this down here, and we're going to put this inside our API. Okay, let me take this out, pull this on the top. So we have our user model, we have the hash, we have validation, we have routes, and then requests. So when we take a look at this post request here, what we're doing is we are validating email, password, device name. We are looking for the user with that email and password, and if it's not, we will tell the user that well, the credentials are incorrect. But if it is, we will create a token using the device name and send the token to the user back. Yeah, and you can see that we're able to do create token, and this create token is as a result of this trait that we've added. All right, so let's test this out in our, let's say, postman, and see what we get. So postman, okay, create a basic, let me just say, let me clear these so we have something fresh to work with. So post, so we're going to make a request to http, yeah, I think of it here, and sanctum.test/sanctum/token. No, because we put it inside our API route here, it has to be /API, and when we make a request, we get some stuff because we're not passing the right information. So let's pass email, that is Ionic at sanctum.com. Let's pass the password as well, join the password, and then let's device name, let's say Google Pixel, something like this. Let's make a request. No, yeah, it's not supposed to be form data, sorry, it's supposed to be URL encoder. So email, it's Ionic at sanctum.com. Password will be password, and then device, let me see, what is it, yeah, device name will be let me just do device name, let's see if it works, and there we have it. A token has been created and sent to us, which means that our routes here, this thing is working. So what this will do is before we will be able to make a request to something like this, we need to have a token. So in our Ionic application, the login is going to make a request to this. So we can even change this. So you make a request to this, pass in the email and password, and then maybe pass the device name, try to get the device name and pass that as well. And it will use it to create the token for us, and we will send to the user on Ionic. Then on Ionic, what we will do is we will save the token and then be able to make subsequent requests. But you see, it seems like this middleware, route here is using the auth API middleware. We're not going to use the auth API middleware. We're going to use Sanctum. Let's check the documentation and see how close this. So let's check. Yeah, so instead of API, we're going to do auth Sanctum. There we have it. So let's go ahead and create our Ionic application. So Ionic start Ionic Sanctum. React blank. Yeah. So we'll end here for now. In the next lesson, we will pull in some packages into our Ionic application, like Ashios, which will help us to make requests to the Laravel application. So we can create a token, save the token, and then use it to make subsequent requests. So that's it for this lesson.